Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. How's your day? Guess what we're working with today? Yeah, you guessed it. It's the Psalms. Let's make sure we're in camera. So today I thought, again, sometimes I have to test print things. So I test printed some and then changed the sheet. So I cut mine out, put them on just my little craft mat here. But this is what the kit looks like. I just, when I think of the Psalms, I think of cups. So Lord, you alone are my portion and my cup. You make my lot secure, from Psalm 16:5. So hence this whole stack of teacups. Now, and again, I will lift up the cup of salvation and praise the Lord's name for saving me. Psalm 116:13. So just, it's sort of like cups, and then the teapot got in there, and some of these, and then the lily pad, and if you have a lily pad, you need a frog. This is how my mind works, people. So the frogs probably should have been somewhere in, you know, the plagues, but they're kind of cute, so I thought we'd just put them on this page. And I'm just gonna do pretty plain. And I was wondering if I should have done some watercoloring. I know I wanted to do some stamping, but we also have the splashes with this. So I was kind of deciding what I should do. So, you know, I think I might just leave it plain. So let's put on our splashes and then go from there. La-dee-dee-dee. I just dig this kit. It's just fun. It wasn't what I had planned for Psalms when I think in my head what I'm going to do, and then when I actually do it, totally different. So, I know, it's kind of crazy some days. So I always have to chat about my bracelets. Today I'm rocking my turquoise ones, because it's a turquoise kind of day. And the white shirt, the art shirt, is back, my friends. The art shirt has returned. I like it. It's really light and cotton. I know, makes no sense to anybody but me. All right, so first I think I'm going to put on my cups to make sure that everything's fitting. Put this guy maybe in the corner. I ripped off one of the berries, so I wonder if he's gonna, oh, he's hanging on there. So let's do this. And can always come in with some pencils even later if you decide, hey, I want color, and stick some of those pencils in. That would work too. So the cups, where are we going to put these cups? I'm just going to put them right here. Kind of keep them in the margin. And if I could move this, I have gessoed this page because I wasn't sure what I was going to do. So these should come off quite easily, because I think I'm going to try today to keep everything, no it didn't, everything in the margin. Does that make sense? So I might just keep my frog here. Look, I'm changing my whole layout. And I have stickers everywhere, but that's kind of, you know, sometimes that's how we do. So put that there. Put the cups back. I'll put them on the, there, I'll put them on the lily pad, and then we'll put some flowers behind. Maybe the little froggy dude. That's his name, Froggy Dude, in case you were wondering. So we'll put these maybe just here. How does that look? Just never know till you try, right? And those came off, so we'll just put them there. And then maybe this part of the kit we'll keep away from the Psalms. We'll put this here, and then can always put this little guy with his teapot. I guess I could put him here too, but then again, I'm covering my words, and I didn't want to cover the words. But now I ended up covering some. But you know what? It's all good. It's always all good. And I love to cluster my elements. So if they're not one on top of the other, I have a hard time leaving them. I bet you've noticed that in my, when I was doing the lint study. Yes, my Lent study. But now this is fun because I think I'm going to put my sayings over here. And that wasn't what I originally intended to do, but that's okay too. And where are we going to put this one? I was going to put him here, but he doesn't have enough room. So I will just put him here as well. Oh, that's nice. That's all crooked. Just think we can make it straight. Just think clear sometimes has an issue with going on straight. Okay, you know what? We're just going to leave it. Let's not fight it. So these are Illustrated Faith clear stamps. What are these little ones called? They're so tiny I can never read them. I think it's called Elements. Sorry, this is gonna, I haven't even used them yet. I'm just taking them out of the package for the first time. I think my little buddy sent me these ones. I'm pretty sure my bestie sent me those. So let's get our ink pad out. I don't want to make too much. I found my little stamper. What are we gonna make? Maybe these dots. Ooh, these are cute. I just wanted to, I don't know, kind of just have some fun with this page. And it just is whimsical, I guess. So I thought, well, let's go for whimsy, right? So let's just put some black dots there. It's just fun sometimes to add a little something something to these pages. And I love stamp sets that have like different things, and you can even use these with different colored inks to make splashes like right on the page. That would be so fun. Why didn't I think of that? That would have been lots of fun. But I'm really loving these just little black dots. I sure am. Should we try a different one? I get on one and then I want to use it the whole time. Okay, we'll put that away and let's see. Crosses or some of those dudes. Kind of like this. Let's try this one. We'll try them all out. And I did clear gesso this page with Tri-Arts. So I actually, it was funny because when I was doing the Job page, I had gessoed a whole bunch of them because I wasn't sure what I was going to do and my brush was dirty, and I thought I'll just keep going. Now with this I only did a piece of the stamp pad because I didn't want the whole thing. So I'm just going to do this in some of the places. Ooh, this is a fun little stamp. And we'll put it over here. Oh, that's fun. So yeah, it's just jazzing up the page a bit using stamps. And I don't use stamps a whole lot. I keep forgetting. I have a whole cupboard full of them. And I keep forgetting. Maybe I'm just lazy and don't want to go through them. I don't know, but that's it. And let's see what's new with me today. Spring has sprung on the farm because, oh, that's exciting. There's so much work we have to do on the farm. And we have to start getting our garden in, and I'm so looking forward to that. Last year when we moved in, our garden was planted already because we moved in July, so we had like a ready-made garden that we got to eat from, which was so fun. And so this year we're on our own, so I'm doing a lot of reading on what grows in this area because we have a really weird weather pattern here. We live in the Rockies, so we get these things called Chinooks, where this cold air goes up the mountain, and then on the other side where we live, when it comes down the mountain, it's hot air and it's really windy. So it's very dry here. It's quite the climate. And this year we didn't have snow till almost, well, it didn't snow till almost the end of January here. It was kind of crazy. So I don't know what the spring will be like, so we will see how things grow here. So there's special books. They call it the Arch. So there's special books that are about gardening under the arch. So I've bought those, and I will let you know how the garden grows. So here's our page, and thank you all for joining me. If you're looking for the page kit, it's in the shop. Links down below. Links for all the supplies. So God bless you all and have an awesome day. And I will see you in Praise and Pray. Bye for now.